2013 Ford Mustang 2DR. This vehicle features the following equipment: manual, 8-cylinder engine 5.8 L355, rear-wheel drive, 821 equipment group order code, glass roof, electronics package, aluminum hood W single large heat extractor, tire inflation kit, unique front-rear fascia, Mikey System Inc., top speed limiter, audio volume delimiter, early low fuel warning, programmable sound chimes, belt minder W audio mute, active anti-theft system Inc., perimeter intrusion alarms, MyColor 125 color gauge backlighting system, easy fuel capless fuel filler system, quad stainless steel exhaust W 3.5 tips, 5.8 L4 supercharged 5.8 engine,